Hey guys, this is Rahul Does Gaming here, and today I'm going to be doing a video called Clash of Clans with me. It's my first time doing it, so let's get started. Okay. I don't play Clash of Clans that much since after Clash Royale came out. I've been playing Clash of Clans since last year. So yeah, I'm not extremely pro. I'm a town 8. So yeah, you're going to see my base. Okay guys, so this is my base. As you can see, it's not that bad. I was a maxed out Town Hall 7. Except for my Minion and my Hawk, because I don't use those two troops. Yeah, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you a strategy that I just created, and it's an experiment strategy. So I don't know whether it's really going to work, but let's see whether it's going to work. Okay, so this is what it consists of. Yeah, this is what it consists of. It's not that expensive, so yeah. Okay. Yeah! Okay guys, so the clan I'm in is Medieval Knights. It's a Singapore clan, so if you want to join you can. But it's an invite only clan and it's almost full. Okay, so let's find a map. Oh. Should I? Or should I not? Okay, so let's do this. Okay guys, I might not full star this base. I actually knew that from the start, but then I saw how, it's called greediness. Yeah, I saw how rich this guy is. So I just wanted to try an attack. Okay, time to spam the archers here. As you can see, it's not doing that well, if I do say so myself. Okay, so I just raged there. Hopefully guys, I'll be able to get at least some of these guys through. Okay. Wow though. This really sucks. I forgot to place the freaking giant. Why? Nothing happened. Yeah. Nothing totally happened. Okay, so as you can see, the level 7 giants are on their last feet. They're still attacking. Okay, so they defeated the cannon. Now they are going towards the wizard tower. I won't consider this an extremely good strategy. If you want to attack lower bases, yeah, I will recommend this strategy. I will post a video of me attacking a Town Hall 7 with this strategy. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up and a like. I will try to create more videos like this. Give me ideas if you guys can. Alright, thanks guys, and subscribe.